Hey guys, back here, gun here. I got another gun I want to show you, another air gun. This one's Magnum power. It's a 357 S, or not the SR, it's the CR357 from Crosman. Shoots pellets or BBs. I can't talk right today. This is how you break it down. You press this little button here. You see it? It's like a little mag wheel sort of thing. It's got teeth in it. And it spins, it rotates each time you pull the trigger. It's CO2 powered. Snap this back shut. But yeah, it's an awesome gun. It's actually really accurate. You can shoot this, single or double. Single, pull the trigger, fires. Well, single, you cock back the hammer, and you pull it, and then you can shoot it double too. So I'm gonna take a few shots real quick with this and see what we can do here. Take it off safety. I'm gonna shoot single action. See if I can hit that pellet 10. Such shot. Golf ball. That's a big deal. This thing hasn't been adjusted yet, so and I think we're out. Check real quick. See back on safe. Break it down. Yeah, I'm out. I was shooting Crosman like 7.4. I'm trying to think what I put in there, because I got a bunch of different pellets. I know 7.4 grain. It's a pointed pellets. But yeah, I haven't had time to adjust this. Let me get it real quick. I'll show you if you guys see this. It actually has a fully adjustable, for elevation and windage on this iron sight here. The front's fixed, but I haven't had time to sight this in yet. I really need to do that so I can actually hit a lot better, because I know a lot of the reviews online say this thing's highly accurate. So I just want to do a really quick video of this and show you. It's a really cool gun. It's actually got a bit of weight to it. It's metal through here. The trigger's metal. This right here is like a hard polymer. You can see down there, there's your, it's not a recessed one, it's just right to the end. But it's a cheaper air pistol, so let's show you guys this, and you guys take care.